Introduction. Project status reports. What this is: 5 different formats and types of status information that can be used to summarize and communicate project status to the team and management. Document formats to capture status on one page and easily hand out, post or email. Simple 3-slide set for presenting top level status to management in meetings. And third, one page format for summarizing status on multiple projects. Why? Let's go to the second heading, why it's useful. Regular status reports help ensure that the team has clear visibility to the true state of a project and that management stays properly informed about project progress, difficulties and issues. By periodically getting the right kinds of information from the project manager, frequent communication of project status and issues is a vital part of effective project risk management. The report should let management know whether the project is on track to deliver its outcome as planned or not. How to use it? What status tracking and reporting will be helpful for your team members and their managers. Even if there are just a few of you, it can still be helpful to keep everyone on the same page with what's done, what's not, and what issue need to be worked. Actually, this can be really important for small projects because the definition by team members are probably working on multiple other projects at once. You need to keep status of your project in front of everyone so nothing gets dropped. So, who are the project stakeholders besides those few people doing work on your project? Stakeholders are those who have some reason to care about the outcome of your project. They could be customers or users of the project's eventual deliverable. They could be managers whose staff are working on the project. They could the ones providing the budget for the program. Do these programs need to be informed of status along the way? That what they would like to know about how the project is progressing. Now let's get towards the report formats. First is content, a template for 1 to 2 page report summarizing progress on project. The format is what we did last period, what we are doing next period, and issues we are working on now. The report is formatted to allow stakeholders and team members to quickly assess a project's status, progress, and key current activities. Bottom line, the what we did and what we are going to do sections help establish a rhythm for the team as keep management apprised of progress and alerted to early indications of slip. The issue section helps expose project risk areas early, focus attention on tasks to mitigate them, and communicate a possible need for help from outside the immediate project team. Second, major task completion. Contents present status of for a project phase with emphasis on reporting completion status of major task. Variations. There are 3 variations. A. This format can be used to give status on the current phase, or you can expand it to include all major phases. Second one is you can reduce the level of detail in each phase and report on a smaller number of major milestones. And third one is some people prefer to leave out percent complete. Bottom line, this report is a good summary for team and functional managers by providing planned and actual start and end dates for the various tasks milestones. It lets you see at a glance whether the project is on schedule or not. It is not a complete picture for reporting the executives because it does not provide highly targeted and summarized information on issues they need to understand where to focus their attention to assist the project at the most status and comments column. could be used to convey the information. Work plan measure. The third one is work plan measure, and after that we have got project status presentation. Contents provides guidance for content to put in several presentation slides for summarizing project status in a management meeting. Content bullets are similar to those in number 1 periodic progress summary report. Bottom line, where we write this status report emphasizes quickly summarizing the state of the project for management. It can be used for a monthly project review meeting with management, and each project can use this format. And the fifth one is multiple project status summary. Contents provide one-page summary of current set of projects variations. You can add various columns to provide whatever info you want to convey. And bottom line, this status report is a good summary for functional managers to see the landscape of projects their people are being assigned to, and good for executives to understand where resources are being deployed and how those efforts are going. The delta columns are the right point out quickly which projects are changing or slipping. The resets column indicates projects that had such radical change or issues that they were considered restarted.